If you have found this message today, it's meant for you to listen to it today. Welcome to the Esoteric Cat. My name is Eve. I've been reading cards for nearly 50 years. Today we're going to see what message Spirit wants to tell you. While I shuffle the cards and put my energy in, you concentrate and put your energy into the cards. And let's see what message Spirit has today. Enlightenment, Forest Temple. It's a great card to start with. 19, which is 10, which is a new beginning. And look, it's a doorway. Do you see the doorway? It's a doorway to a new beginning. Transmutation, Phoenix. Wow. This is going to be a good reading. Okay, if you are not subscribed, please do. I post these collective readings every Thursday. If you are subscribed, you will never miss a reading. Flexibility. Number 7, that's straight from Spirit. 43. Willow Spirit. Flexibility. Transformation. Transformation. I see it. I see this transformation getting ready to happen. This is going to be a powerful transformation, y'all. Very powerful transformation. Hummingbird Spirit, Joy 22. This is amazing. This is amazing. You're transforming your life. You're moving from a place where you used to be. A place that was overwhelming and scary, and into a place of joy and happiness. You are rising from the ashes of your past. You are rising from the ashes. And you are going to walk through that door to enlightenment. You're embracing your spirituality. You are finding the magic in your soul. You are reconnecting with Spirit. You are transforming. And it is going to be joyful and magical. Yes. I love it. This is an amazing reading. This is amazing. This may be one of the shortest readings I've ever done. But this is amazing, and this is the reading. This is what Spirit is telling me. This here is the entire reading. Things are looking amazing, okay? Trust. Trust in Spirit. Have faith. Know that you may have walked through the fire, but now you are rising from that fire, and you are walking through that doorway. You just need to be flexible. Listen to Spirit. Know that Spirit has a hand in this, that Spirit is guiding you, that Spirit is helping you find this joy and happiness, helping you transform to be the best person you can possibly be, the happiest person you can possibly be. If this resonated with you, if you are ready to accept the joy and be happy in your life, like this video, drop me a message. Drop me a message. Put the number 22 in the message. Comment. Comment number 22 if you are ready to accept this joy in your life. Or maybe I'll just do it backwards today, because normally what I do is I talk a little bit before I do the reading, but this reading just started coming out as soon as I started shuffling the cards and sat down. So, even though this is a timeless reading, like all of my readings, whenever they show up to you, that's when you are supposed to hear the message. Um, Even though all of my readings are timeless readings, I do like to take the opportunity to update on things that are going on, because this is a community, not just a drive by, look at some cards channel. I'm building a community here, and so I want to communicate with the community. So instead of doing the community update stuff before the reading today, we're doing it after, okay? So those of you who have been here, you know that my air conditioner is broken in this room. I live in an upstairs apartment that is extremely hot, and I have window air conditioners. And I have this room that is dedicated to my spirituality, to being able to record, create, crafts, things like that. That is what this room is. I call it the studio, because it's an art studio, tarot studio, spirituality oasis, everything. It's my room. Every woman should have a room of her own, regardless of who you live with. You should have your own room. And this is my room. But the air conditioner in here is broken, and I currently cannot afford to purchase an air conditioner. If you want to help with that, I have links down in the description for my Cash App, and I also have a Ko-Fi that you could join the membership of, or just tip your witch, whatever. It'd be great if I could buy a new air conditioner. But until such time that I can buy an air conditioner, I may be filming this in different locations in the house, because my living room does have an air conditioner and the bedroom has an air conditioner. So you may see me filming in different locations. I may even actually film outside if it's not too hot. So don't be surprised if you start seeing me in different locations besides just here at my tarot table. I have the Summer Zodiac message posting now, and they will post through July, June and July. And then I will be taking a small break from Zodiac in August. And then Zodiac messages will appear again in September. In August, I'm hoping, I'm working on it right now, I'm hoping to have some more in-depth videos coming out about tarot cards. And it's extremely hot in here, y'all. I love your faces. Maybe that's why this reading was so short today, because Goddess knows it is so hot in this room, and I cannot be in here for very long. So I want to get one more card. I feel like, even though the reading was concluded earlier, I feel like we need another card. Let's see what it is. Breathe. Go to the forest and breathe. Just go outside and breathe in. Earlier today, we were having an amazing thunderstorm right before I came in to record this, and I was just breathing it in. I love the smell before a thunderstorm. It's amazing. So go outside and breathe, y'all. Enjoy your day, okay? Enjoy the summer. All right, y'all. That's it. Love your faces. Kisses.